Which of the following measures is or used to determine the quality of a printer? Dash. A. Dots printed in a minute. B. Dots per inch. C. Dot per square inch. D. All of the above. Answer. Dot per square inch. Dash is the mode we use to execute the instruction from a computer. A. Sequential. B. Parallel. C. Both A and B. D. None of the above. Answer. Both A and B. Modern computers are reliable, but they don't have dash. A. Fast. B. Powerful. C. Cheap. D. Self-thinking. Answer. Self-thinking. What is meant by devoted computer? Dash. A. Which uses only one kind of software. B. Which is used by only one person. C. Which is assigned with only one task. D. No such type of computers are available. Answer. Which is assigned with only one task. The system unit of a personal computer typically contains all of the following except A. Microprocessor. B. Disk controller. C. Serial interface. D. Modem. Answer. Modem. A computer program that converts an entire program into a machine language is called dash. A. Interpreter. B. Simulator. C. Compiler. D. None of the above. Answer. Compiler. A computer program that converts one by one instruction into a machine language is called dash. A. Interpreter. B. Simulator. C. Compiler. D. None of the above. Answer. Interpreter. Dash is an internet-based computing solution where shared resources are provided. A. Cloud computing. B. Networking. C. LAN. D. None of the above. Answer. Cloud computing. Dash is the language that computer can understand and execute. A. Middle level language. B. Machine level language. C. High level language. D. All of the above. Answer. Machine level language. Dash is a set of instructions, also called a program, that tells a computer how to perform tasks. A. Hardware. B. Software. C. Both A and B. D. None of the above. Answer. Software. Router is dash device. A. Input. B. Output. C. Both A and B. D. None of the above. Answer. Both A and B. Scanner is dash device. A. Input. B. Output. C. Both A and B. D. None of the above. Answer. Input. The building block for all information that flows through a computer dash. A. Bit. B. Byte. C. Both A and B. D. None of the above. Answer. Byte. Dash is the software that controls all the other software programs and allows to perform basic tasks. A. Software. B. Hardware. C. Windows. D. Operating system. Answer. Operating system. The following dash is termed as permanent memory. A. Random access memory. B. Read-only memory. C. Flash memory. D. Cache memory. Answer. Read-only memory. Memory that temporarily stores data and that can be erased or changed is known as A. Cache memory. B. Read-only memory. C. Flash memory. D. Random access memory. Answer. Random access memory. Information that is entered into a computer is called as dash. A. Input. B. Output. C. Both A and B. D. None of the above. Answer. Input. Information that a computer produces and delivers back to the user is known as dash. A. Input, B. Output, C. Both A and B, D. None of the above. Answer: output. MP3 player is dash. A. Input device, B. Output device, C. Both A and B, D. None of the above. Answer: both A and B. The smallest unit of computerized data is referred as dash. A. Bit, B. Byte, C. Both A and B, D. None of the above. Answer: bit. After copying the content, how many times can you paste dash? A. Only one time, B. Two times, C. Three times, D. Many times. Answer: many times. What is the keyboard shortcut key to merge a document dash? A. Alt plus Shift plus N, B. Alt plus Shift plus O, C. Alt plus Shift plus P, D. Alt plus Shift plus Q. Answer: Alt plus Shift plus N. In a table, to move to the first cell in a row, dash is the keyboard shortcut key. A. Alt plus Tab, B. Alt plus Shift, C. Alt plus Control, D. Alt plus Home. Answer: Alt plus Home. To find text, formatting and special items, dash is the keyboard shortcut key. A. Control plus G, B. Control plus H, C. Control plus F, D. Control plus A. Answer: Control plus F. What is the shortcut key to display the Save As dialog box dash? A. F8, B. F12, C. F11, D. F9. Answer: F12. Among the following, dash is a logical function. A. Average, B. Count, C. ABS, D. AND. Answer: AND. Of the following is correct syntax in Excel dash? A. Replace old text num characters, start num new text. B. Replace old text, start num characters, new text. C. Replace old text, new text, num characters, start num. D. Replace num characters, start num, old text, new text. Answer: replace old text, start num characters, new text. Which of the following is correct? A. Frequency data array bins array, B. Frequency data bins, C. Frequency data bins array, D. Frequency array bins array. Answer: frequency data array bins array. Without the symbol equal to, Excel will treat the data as dash. A. Number, B. Formula, C. Text, D. None of the above. Answer: text. False function dash. A. Returns the logical value of false, B. Returns the logical value of true, C. Returns the actual value, D. None of the above. Answer: returns the logical value of false. A group of computers connected together through a central server using cables and other communication devices is known as dash. A. Network, B. LAN, C. WAN, D. None of the above. Answer: network. All types of banking transactions performed electronically without manual operation is known as dash. A. E-banking, B. Computerization, C. Modernization, D. None of the above. Answer: E-banking. Banks are computers for dash. A. Track customer information, B. Process the loan application, C. Track the credit card information, D. All of the above. Answer: all of the above. Measuring unit of capacity of hard drive is dash. A. GB, B. Gigahertz, C. megahertz, D. None of the above. Answer GB. Web address is a unique address to identify dash on web. A. Browser, B. Website, C. Link, D. All of the above. Answer website. In a network, the computer that stores the files and processes the data is named as A. Terminal, B. Modem, C. Server, D. None. Answer server. In processing of checks, which of the following technology is helpful to the banks? A. OMR, B. Barcode, C. MICR, D. OCR. Answer MICR. The computer code for interchange of information between terminals is dash. A. ASCII, B. ACSII, C. ASICI, D. ASIIC. Answer ASCII. Of the following, dash is different from the group? A. Windows, B. MS Word, C. MS Excel, D. MS PowerPoint. Answer Windows. Of the following, dash is not a computer language? A. MS Word, B. C++, C. COBOL, D. BASIC. Answer MS Word. A collection of related records in a database dash. A. Field, B. File, C. Both A and B, D. None of the above. Answer file. Virus stands for dash. A. Virtual information resource under siege, B. Vital information resource under siege, C. Virus information resource under siege, D. Vital information resource under siege. Answer vital information resource under siege. Dash is known as restricting the access to information. A. Decryption, B. Encryption, C. Hacking, D. None of the above. Answer encryption. Dash is known as allowing the authorized access to information. A. Decryption, B. Encryption, C. Hacking, D. None of the above. Answer decryption. Dash is known as unauthorized access to the system. A. Decryption, B. Encryption, C. Hacking, D. None of the above. Answer hacking. Dash are the examples of pointing devices. A. Electronic mouse, B. Pointing stick, C. Trackball, D. All of the above. Answer all of the above. The device that is used to read barcodes is dash. A. OMR, B. Barcode, C. MICR, D. OCR. Answer barcode. Nanosecond is the dash. A. Millionths of a second, B. Billionths of a second, C. Trillionth of a second, D. Thousands of a second. Answer billionths of a second. Of the following, dash would be considered as a way through which a computer virus can enter into a computer system. A. Email with attachments, B. Downloading the data from sites, C. Operating the system without antivirus software, D. All of the above. Answer all of the above. Dash is known as a computer network in which one centralized powerful computer is a hub to which many less powerful personal computers or workstations are connected. The clients run programs and access data that's stored on the server. A. Client server network, B. Extranet, C. Internet, D. None of the above. Answer client server network.